Today, we're focusing on the word encourage, which means to give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Segment. Teachers encourage students to ask questions. Teachers encourage students to ask questions. A photo of a smiling teacher actively engaging with students, encouraging them to participate in a brightly lit classroom, showcasing a supportive and educational environment. Realistic style. Her parents encourage her to follow her dreams. A warm, comforting image of parents gently speaking to their daughter, full of hope and encouragement, in a cozy living room, encouraging her to pursue her dreams. Authentic and high resolution. Good friends encourage each other. A high-resolution photo capturing a moment of two friends offering mutual support and encouragement, possibly a handshake or a hug, in an everyday setting, conveying a strong bond and positive emotions. The coach encouraged the team before the game. An inspiring scene of a coach giving a motivational speech to a focused sports team on a field or court, before a game, under natural daylight, emphasizing encouragement and teamwork. He encouraged her to try again. A supportive and tender moment between two people, one encouraging the other to try again after a failure, in a setting that suggests challenge, with a focus on empathy and encouragement. Positive words can encourage people. A close-up image of someone speaking positive and encouraging words to another, highlighting the speaker's compassionate expression and the listener's receptive posture in a serene setting. The program encourages healthy habits. An engaging photo of a group participating in a program or workshop designed to promote healthy habits, with visible signs of enthusiasm and encouragement, possibly with educational materials or activities in view. She smiled to encourage him. A candid photo capturing a genuine, encouraging smile from a woman to a man, in a context that suggests support and reassurance, with a focus on the warmth and positivity of the smile. We should encourage children to read more books. A cozy and inviting reading nook filled with books, where a child is being gently encouraged by an adult to read, showcasing a love for reading and a supportive learning environment.